This quick video will show you how you can use ChatGPT inside of the WhatsApp application. So just follow my steps. The very first step is to hop over to the Google Play Store if you're an Android user, or go to the App Store if you're on your iPhone, and then make sure that you have the latest version of the WhatsApp app installed on your device. My app is already updated, so what I'll do is to open the app, go over to your chat section, and then let's select this little plus option at the top right corner of the screen. After this step, I'm going to click on New Contact and then follow my steps carefully. For the country code, you want to add United States. And for the phone number, type 800-242-8478. And then you can add a first and last name, so let's name it ChatGPT. Click on Done, and now let's open the chat section. You can see that this number is verified, and we can now start typing our prompt, just like you would type it in the ChatGPT app. Wait a couple of seconds, and then you're going to get your response. That is how we can easily use ChatGPT inside of WhatsApp. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to App Tutor for more similar tutorials like this one.